Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have colorful thank you cards for you today using Art Impressions Perfect Duet set. So I'm going to use the Boombox and the music notes from that stamp set. So I'm going to remove it from the packaging, and then I'm going to stick it or add them on my acrylic blocks. My panel is 140 pound Strathmore watercolor paper, and I'm stamping the images with Versafine Onyx black ink. I'm going to do a pattern stamping on my panel. So I'm just going to stamp the boombox first, and then I'll stamp the music notes on the empty spaces on the panel. After the stamping is done, I'm going to color my panel with zig markers. I have listed the colors on top of the screen so you see what colors I use. I will let you watch the coloring part, and I will be back when it's done. I will add some Krystal Stickles on the middle part of the boombox. It's where you insert the cassette tape. After the Stickles is set and dry, we can go ahead and die cut the panels with Gina Designs dies. I use frilly lace, nested rectangles, and nested scallop stitch rectangles. The other one that I use off camera is the Petite loop lace rectangles. I really like these die sets from Gina Designs because they are very affordable. After I poke all the tiny pieces from the die cut, I can adhere the panels on my A2 size top folding black card base. I use black card base so I can match it with my die cut sentiments. And I'm adhering the panels with strong double-sided tape, and I think I also used a little bit of, or no, I didn't use glue on that one. And then these are the thank you die cuts that I have, and this thank you die cuts, my friend G sent this to me when we had the card swap, I think February. So I really like this chunky thank you die cuts. That's why I use them today on my cards. So I'm adhering them with foam tape and a little bit of liquid glue to adhere them well on my panel. For the inside of the cards, I will stamp the boombox and then the music notes again with Kaleidacolor tomato vine ink. I die cut the panels with the same dies that I use in front of the card or cards. And we can also adhere them using double-sided tape. For my embellishment, I'm going to add some of this iridescent sequins that I have from my stash, and I'm adhering them with micro glue dots. And then lastly, I'm going to add some shimmer on the sentiment with my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen. And my Rainbow Boombox thank you cards are complete. I love that these cards are so colorful. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.